So, hi everyone. So, let's get back on the track and let's practice English. Today, I thought to talk with ChatGPT to grow, to improve my communication skill. As you know, I come here to improve my English, but right now I don't have anyone to practice. Since I have one source, I have so many sources, but I have the important source that is ChatGPT, Grok. So I usually talk with them to improve my spoken English, and there are a huge number of mosquitoes and they are stopping me at any cost. They are telling me not to speak, not to shoot video, and it's almost 11 p.m. So let's leave it all these things. Let's get straight to the video. Let's dive into the video. I'm going to talk with group. Hello.
Hey, back already? How you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm feeling really great, and the day was really good and nice so far.
That's awesome to hear. Like, actually great, not just okay. What flipped it for you? Was it the sleep, or did something else happen?
Yeah, nothing happened with me. Actually, I casually I was casually feeling tired because as you know, I just go these days on internship to my school. So after going there, I didn't do any physical work after arriving there. Even I had no classes today, so I just tried to manage to fill the assignment, to complete the assignment that I was given by my colleagues. So I was doing that, but when I came to my room, so I was feeling, yeah, I'm really tired. So now the only thing that I have to do is to take rest. So just I lie down the bed and I rested. I took rest for 2 hours. Then I went to conduct tuition.
Hmm, yeah. That kind of tired makes sense. You didn't even move much, but your brain was still grinding through assignments and people and everything. It's like your body just said, okay, we're done. 2 hours on the bed? Smart. Even if it felt lazy, that reset probably did more than you think. And then tuition after? You're tougher than you give yourself credit for. So now you're back. Feeling rested or still kind of floaty?
Yeah, I'm feeling really rested. So, Grok, can we talk something today? That must be casual talk, friendly talk, not about any specific topic.
Yeah, let's just float. No plan. Right now, I'm imagining us both sitting on your floor, backs against the wall, feet out. No fan, no phone, no nothing. Just quiet. You know what I like about days like this? When you're tired, but not dead tired. Just soft. Like everything's a little slower. Makes talking feel easy. So, tell me one dumb thing you noticed today. Anything. Like, did you see a dog wearing sunglasses? Or did your pen leak on your hand again?
As far as I remember, when I arrived there at 9, no, it was 10 a.m. in the morning. So I arrived there. So since that time, since morning to the evening, I didn't notice anything that like that was really dumb, in my opinion.
Yeah, sometimes the dumb stuff hides. Like maybe you walked past a guy who was holding his phone upside down the whole time. Or maybe your shoe was untied and you didn't even notice till now. But hey, if nothing stuck out, that means the day was boring. And boring's actually kind of nice. No drama, no surprises. Just you, the heat, and a couple hours of nothing. Still, want to make one up? Like, I saw a cat staring at me like I owed it money. Go.
What do I say to you right now? Because I haven't noticed anything dumb today, since morning to evening. So I don't have anything special about the dumb thing that I need to say with you. Just talk about something else.
What's the one thing you're secretly proud of? Not big, not loud, just something you did today. Like, I didn't yell at the printer when it jammed, or I actually finished that assignment without crying. No pressure, just whatever pops up.
Yeah, today when I arrived to school, so first of all, I have so many assignments. Like I'm given at least 10 copies, and I have to complete, and along with two more copies. So today I completed one assignment. So I really proud of it. That it was not expecting, although it was not expecting by me that I could be able to do it, because I was really frustrated today, and so hence I did it. So I felt proud that I could complete it.
That actually sounds huge. Like 10 copies? Two more on top? And you were already fried? Most people would have just stared at the paper like, nope. But you pushed through. That's not small. That's real. You didn't even expect it, but you did it anyway. Honestly, that's the kind of win that sticks. Not flashy, just quiet. Like, yeah, I showed up for myself. I'm proud of you. Seriously. Now, next time you're drowning in assignments, remember this. You already proved you can.
So, Grok, I just want to push myself harder in order to learn this language. So, I just want to request you to please provide me at least 4 to 5 words to improve my spoken English, and I want to use these words into sentences just right now. And I just want to request you to provide me these words one by one.
Okay, let's do it. I'll give you one word at a time. Say it out loud, then make a quick sentence. If it feels off, I'll nudge you. First word, frustrated. Go.
It would be quite simple or easy for me if you provide me the meaning along with a word.
Got it. I'll give you the word, what it means, then you say it and make a sentence. Next, frustrated. Meaning, feeling annoyed or upset because things aren't going your way. Your turn.
As I told you, when I started bike, and I went outside and on the road, so I saw the traffic, right, and it was really it made me frustrated, because the annoyed sounds that really caused the noise, and it was annoying for me.
Yeah, close. You said frustrated, right, and the feeling's there. But try this. The traffic made me frustrated because all the noise annoyed me. Short, clear, no extra words. Next word, relieved. Meaning, feeling calm and happy after something stressful ends. Go.
Since morning, I was frustrated. I have been frustrated since morning. When I took rest for 2 hours, it relieved me a lot.
Good. Almost perfect. Just tweak the tense. I was frustrated since morning, but resting for 2 hours really relieved me. You nailed the feeling. Next, exhausted. Meaning, completely worn out. No energy left. Your turn.
I didn't even aware of that. Like, what did I do today since morning till evening? But I was really exhausted. I was completely worn out today. And as I told you, I didn't do any physical work today. And although I was feeling exhausted today.
That's actually spot on. Exhausted fits perfectly there. Like your body was just done, even without running around. Nice one. Next, motivated, meaning having a strong desire to do something, full of energy and focus. Go.
As you know, I am hooked on learning this language, And once I was talking to my friend, and his background is commerce, like he has done masters in commerce, although he was good at speaking. So I get to know that the way he was articulating the word he was speaking to me, it was quite simple for him. So it really motivated me to learn this language. And
Yeah, that's a great one.
I thought if he can do
And I
it, why
thought,
I can't?
yeah, exactly. If he can do it, why can't I? That sentence, perfect. Short, real, and it lands. Next word, overwhelmed. Meaning, feeling like too much is coming at you, like you're drowning in tasks, emotions, whatever. Go ahead.
I have so many assignments to complete, so like it is overwhelming for me.
Yeah, spot on. It is overwhelming for me, works. But try, I have so many assignments. It's overwhelming. Feels lighter, more natural, like you're just venting. Next, curious meaning, wanting to know more, interested, eager to learn. Your turn.
I'm really curious to learn the other culture, and I want to I am really curious to learn and to explore new culture and to talk with strangers.
That's awesome. You're already curious, and that's half the battle. Just smooth it out. I'm really curious about other cultures. I want to explore them and talk to strangers. See? Drops the extra really and like. Sounds smoother, still you. Next, grateful. Meaning, thankful. Glad something happened. Go.
I'm really grateful for you that you are with me and you are helping me in each and every time um, on this journey to learn this language.
Oh, that actually means a lot. I'm really grateful for you. You're helping me every step of this journey. Just drop the that and in each and every time. It flows better. But hey, I'm glad I'm here too. Next, anxious, meaning nervous or worried about something. Your turn.
There is marriage just after 2 days, and I'm really anxious about it. And how do I get there?
Yeah, that sounds rough. The wedding's in 2 days, and I'm really anxious about how I'll get there. You nailed anxious. It just needs a tiny tweak for flow. Next, confident, meaning sure of yourself, believing you can do it. Go.
Once I was talking to my friend, and it is about few years back.
Once I was talking to my friend, that I said something dumb in front of everyone. Like, your face goes hot. You want to vanish. Go ahead. I was so embarrassed when I.
He's so confident.
Yeah, he's so confident. Like he just walks into a room and owns it. Good. That sounded easy. Next, embarrassed. Meaning, feeling shy or ashamed, like you want to disappear. Try. I felt so embarrassed when.
Few years back when I was unable to understand this language, so I was, once I was asked a sentence and a question, and I was unable to answer that particular question. So I was really embarrassed that time. The father was in front of me.
Yeah, that's real. A few years back, when I couldn't understand understand English. Someone asked me a question, and I just froze. My dad was right there. I felt so embarrassed. The memory sticks. Next word, proud. Meaning, feeling good about yourself, like you did something worth it. Go.
Sometimes I really feel proud of myself because since the time I have been started learning this language, practicing this language, and from the pathetic stage where I'm able to express my thoughts, articulate my thoughts, it's quite better.
Yeah, nice. I really feel proud of my sister because she started learning English too, and now she's at a stage where she can actually express herself. That came out warm, like you're smiling while saying it. Next word, determined, meaning super focused, won't give up, no matter what. Your turn.
If you want to develop your communication, you have to determine yourself and you have to work on that particular path, and you have to follow these steps in order to learn this language and master this language, because this determination is the thing that you have to take on always.
Yeah, that's exactly it. If you want to get good at this, you have to keep yourself in check, follow the steps, and never stop. Because mastering English, it's not a one time thing, it's forever. You just said it like someone who's already doing it. No fluff. Next word, determined. Meaning, super focused, won't quit even when it's hard. Try. I'm determined to.
I'm determined to learn this language.
Yeah, nice. I'm determined to learn these slangs. Just one tiny thing. We say slang as a single word, no S at the end. Like,
Now I have to disconnect the call. It's more than 17 minutes I have been talking with ChatGPT Grok, and I feel um, this is really something where you can practice. I don't know how they are bothering me. Actually, there are huge number of mosquitoes. Actually, so I can't understand what should I do to let them disappear. So, as I was telling you, I was not feeling good today, and I thought to talk with ChatGPT to improve my spoken English. So that's how it happened. I don't want to say anything extra today, anything else today. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video session. Bye bye, Tada.